For those marketers looking for new ways to produce quality content in less time, Content Samurai could be an amazing option. The internet is changing quickly, just like its users. This is why video content is becoming more and more popular, now representing the biggest share of successful content online. Faster internet connections and better video editing are making this kind of content a major attraction for online users. But YouTube isn't the only place where video content is extremely popular. Plenty of successful businesses in many sectors are getting the most from this resource on their own website, blogs, and social media profiles. In fact, video content is getting twice as shares in comparison with other types of content. Content Samurai developers knew this was coming, but they also spotted a problem related to video content experience and knowledge with the complex video editing software are needed to achieve good results. And even with proper knowledge, creating a good video takes too much time. Taking this problem as an inspiration, they created Content Samurai, a web app for simple video creation that everybody can use, no matter the level of experience. I tried the product for my own video marketing projects, and I have a lot to say about it. The first thing I must point out is the ease of use. The interface is really clean and minimalistic, avoiding mind-numbing setups like the ones we find in dedicated software. For me, this is a good thing. I was looking for simplicity and a straightforward product. All the main tools you could need during a video production are there. Content Samurai focuses on maintaining better user experience in his or her own workspace. This is something I really liked. There's a wide array of visual templates that are ready to use, making you save a lot of time during the creation process. These templates are good looking and are totally customizable. Next, the performance is amazing. Content Samurai doesn't require cutting-edge software that costs hundreds of dollars because it's a web app that works in your browser. If you have a relatively slow PC, don't worry about it. Regarding the video output, I must say that Content Samurai generates high-definition content. When I finish the editing and I want to download the video, it's ready almost instantly. The main benefits I've found for Content Samurai for marketers and for small businesses are quite a few. First, the time-saving factor is crucial. You can produce several times more high-quality content per week. There is no comparison with using complex software. Another benefit is the economic factor. Hiring freelancers to create your video content can cost you thousands of dollars per month if you're looking for quality. Instead of doing that, you can spend a lot less per month and get the full Content Samurai suite of tools. A no-brainer right here. More importantly than how much you can save per month is how much you can earn. For me, Content Samurai is a tool to generate a lot more money for my business. My content marketing strategies are stepping up and getting better results because of Content Samurai.